2 pieces. This piece is coated with silicon carbide. You simply put it through the holes and then rub it back and forth on your blade in order to get the right bevel to it. I'm just going to take my secateurs, put them into the holder, use a screwdriver just to tighten. And then just going to feed it through and back and forth, moving along the different holes to get more angle. When I'm done, just undo the holder, take it off, and there we go. Nice sharp secateurs, ready for the garden.